Nissan Laurel C34. The Nissan Laurel C34 is a front-engine, rear-wheel drive car that was released in 1993 and ceased production in 1997. It was available in a sedan body style. All models of the C34 were fitted with an inline six-cylinder engine. Under the hood, you'll find a range of RB series engines. Most basic versions were offered with naturally aspirated engines of 2 or 2.5 liters of displacement. The RB25DET is the most powerful engine for the C34 Laurel. This 2.5-liter turbo engine produced around 250 horsepower from the factory. As standard, there is plenty of power to hone your skills, plus the potential is there if you want to up the power. The RB series is famous for handling upgrades with turbo mods, letting you unlock a ton more power if you're into that sort of thing. When it comes to drifting, this car is set up to slide around corners. It's got rear-wheel drive and a good balance, which makes it perfect for controlled drifting. In terms of aftermarket support, the C34 has a thriving community that offers a wide range of modifications to make it even more capable as a drift car. From suspension upgrades to engine modifications, the possibilities are endless. For those seeking impressive drifting capabilities without the hefty price tag of a Nissan Skyline, the Nissan Laurel C34 emerges as a more affordable alternative, offering comparable drifting prowess and customizable features. All in all, the Nissan Laurel C34 stands as a canvas for enthusiasts seeking a balance between power, precision, and customization in their pursuit of the ultimate drifting experience.